Climate researchers at the London School of Economics found 6 countries, the United States, Argentina, Australia, Canada, Saudi Arabia and Turkey, are failing to enact sufficient legislation to meet their emissions targets.
Are there policy frameworks, are there laws, are there incentives that make emissions come down in due course? We have in the US, for example, there's the Clean Power Plan, but that's a sectoral plan. There isn't a countrywide target that covers all emissions.
The report is being launched on the sidelines of the global climate meeting in Marrakesh, Morocco. Delegates aim to put policy detail on the Paris Agreement, which seeks to limit global warming to 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels.
Paris Agreement has been ratified by 110 countries, and it's a fragile compromise, so there's potential for internal infighting to start again amongst those 110 countries. But there is momentum that is quite stable. Countries know in which direction they have to go. They actually also understand that it's in their self-interest.
That momentum could be slowed by the US election victory of Donald Trump, who, during the campaign, pledged to withdraw from the Paris Agreement. In Marrakesh, delegates from across the world have issued appeals for Washington to stick to its commitments.
No current or incoming administrations should attempt to undo our collective will as people of the world to do what is overdue to make our planet a better place and guarantee the continued existence of all life on it.
Climate scientists say under the Obama administration, the United States has been ahead of the curve. Rachel Cletus, lead economist at the Union of Concerned Scientists, spoke to VOA via Skype from the Marrakesh conference.
The Obama administration released a plan yesterday that set a goal of an 80% net emissions reduction by 2050 from 2005 levels. And so that is ambitious. It's more ambitious than what we have seen from the US before, but it's not nearly ambitious enough.
Britain is the latest country to ratify the Paris Climate Agreement. Climate campaigners hope US allies can persuade Trump to keep the United States' signature on the deal. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.